here we go. Taylor Green coming out of Colorado. We saw her compete at Obstacle Academy and Ninja Intensity. Strong athlete. Has been in the ninja scene for years now. Has just been growing with the sport. Now here we are on the swinging cliffhanger, trying to transition for that flywheel. Keeping that swing nice and straight for the dismount. Shaken out, nice. Only takes one big pull to get really close enough for the battering ram transfer. Good use of her momentum. Looking for that dismount. Parents sitting out, hanging on the steps, getting a nice view over there of this backside of the course here. Into that first cliffhanger. Taylor looking for the drops now. First drop in hand. Looking for that third final cliffhanger ledge. 1-2, nice match through, and links the dismount. Excellent job from Taylor to get through that one quickly. Time for the dropping steps. Striding across here. Nice job. Tick-tock to spider jump. Good push off the platform. Should be able to get this in two. A little off angle with the feet, but good transition through. Maintaining that hand-foot awareness. And here we go on the twisting sky hooks. Gets the first twisted into position. Little sideways there. You can see too much backswing will cause it to go into that twist. But with enough control there, doesn't matter.
Yeah, it's a good job to make that correction.
And Taylor working through it. On pace here. Almost neck and neck with Addie. So let's see if she can get it in the one try.
Yeah, still clean here. No falls up to this point. Looking for the full clear. This would put her in first, I believe. Unofficial leaderboard at the moment. Jalisa Himka's run still to be added to the leaderboard.
Here we go, onto the rock holds here. Taylor building up that swing. Big move across, grabs on. Needs to get out of there. And that's it, the buzzer. Taylor Green full clear and an amazing time. So, well-rounded athlete here, Tyler Smith on the move. Through the steps, no issue. Hopping his way through lane change. Needs to dial in those hips just a little bit for that dismount. And now moving on for the old switcheroo. Up and over. These athletes are starting to really figure this one out. Quick switches. Side to side shimmy. It's just got to be really in control of that direction. Nice work from Tyler. Nice job on the dropping cliffs. And nicely done with those cliffhangers out of the way. Going to give those hands a little bit of a breather as he strides across the dropping steps. And gets the jumping spider with that little bit of a twisted hip entry. Cruising through, moving on for the sky hooks with a twist. Oh, good move on the first, good move on the second. Nicely done, Tyler, so far. Getting ready for the throwback now. And gets to that second throwback, going with that reverse grip that we saw Mr. Folsom do earlier. And nice technique there. It's got about 1:45 remaining. So we just saw Noah clear, but needed a retry. Can Tyler get it on his first attempt?
Well, if they can lock this in, if they can get it on the first attempt, that would put him in first place.
Here we go, Tyler, on the line bar cradles. Checking those corners. Build that swing up. First in!
Try, locks
Transition
in.
over for the buzzer. And a full clear from Tyler Smith is going to be our first athlete with no errors through. Nicely done with a hug from his training compadre there. Up now, Taylor Green coming out of Colorado. Here we go. Puts on dominant performances all across the qualifiers that she has been in.
Yes, the first athlete to link the move from the trampoline.
Linking it through. And now, can she link this one as well? Nicely done.
Very smooth right now.
Hopping her way through that spider hallway.
Yes!
Ooh, all the links. Nice hop over and through. And we got a few more things to potentially link here. Ooh, catch in.
Goes for it.
Oh my goodness. Can we link this last one through? Grabs and goes for the dismount. Going for a sub 1 minute time here. Taylor Green, link it or get left behind. And man, oh man, she linked it all. Nice job, Taylor Green, with a sub 1 minute time. Impressive job. Speaking of somebody going fast as they can, Mr. Bergstrom getting ready to go. And here goes Caleb. Let's see if he can keep pace with some of the other athletes here. Coming around that corner. And nice staying low, not taking huge swings on those transitions. And now we're on to the big laches through. And up and in and under. Going for the climb up and through. Good swings and hops down. Tacks off, catches, and turns that corner. It's going to be close.
Oh my
Incredible
gosh.
time. 36.9. And here we go. Maggie coming off of that traverse qualifier, getting first place in that burnout. So she is well familiar with the style of courses. First time here at Motive, though. A lot of stuff might be brand new to her. And here we go into that circuit board. Going with that crossover tech. Keeping the feet in play. Shimmying over. Big moves. Had to go back, gotta utilize those handles until that lower board. Gets that transition. Ready for that cliffhanger throw. Matches on that front side, and now transitions down and around. Maggie moving through. And looking for that twist and turn. Good catch, and starts to relax a little bit. Does she opt for any chalk?
I think she's going right into it.
Yeah, no chalk required. Go ahead and lock that leg around for a split second. Bump out a little further. Nice push out from that platform and swinging into it. Good side-to-side shimmy. And on to the cane.
Still looks like she's got a lot of strength, a lot left in the tank here.
Shaking out one more time.
Making really good time, too.
And here we go, transitioning on to the swinging clips. Building up the swing. Back and forth, here we go on that first transfer. How many swings does it take? First one in hand.
First catch.
Building up for the third.
She's got the second catch. One more to go here, Strat.
Hold tight.
She's
Grabs the
got
center. And yo, another buzzer. Let's go. Nice job, Maggie Owen, with a clear on the burnout. And here we go, Naxa Garamore getting ready to go. Had some strong performances.
Finished second in the burnout at Stanford Ninja Academy.
Moving quick here. We've seen him perform well at other competitions. Also down in Orlando at the Obstacle Ninja Academy competition they had. And here he goes, shimmying through these bookshelves. Trying to get through the floating cliffhangers. No problem there. Looking relaxed, gets a quick pad of the chalk. And here comes the swing through for the cliffs. The first of many cliffhangers to come. Going quickly through to the canes to get that touch point. Locks in the first. Trying to work his way around. Nice control here. Stay nice and locked off, nice and high with those L's. Trying to keep those arms at 90.
He looks so comfortable, Strat.
He's got crazy good grip strength here and just lock off strength. Good control, not even repositioning his hands as he goes through. And gonna latch on slightly for this pillar. Gonna look for that chalk as well. Here we go for the toss across. Naxa making his way through. Going quick, gets that reverse move right away. Going for that swing across. Nice grab. And here we go. Cliffhanger journey. Let's see that grip be tested here on that thin ledge. Make some room for the other hand. Looking strong so far.
Looks good right now.
And they start getting thin as he goes. You can hear the crowd behind him as he's fighting his way through here. Furthest we've seen thus far, not looking phased yet, and it starts to get thin. Still more to go. Just working his way up and over. Ooh, got to control that swing, though. They get really thin here, down to 1 inch. Takes a chance to shake.
A little bit.
Fight through it, cross over. Oh, you can see the buzzer.
He's got one more ledge to go, Strat.
Oh, my goodness. He was right there. Within striking distance of the buzzer. What a run from Naxa Garamore.